Yeah. I'm going to A. Fuck this shit, dude.
So you're going to A?
Yeah.
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 YOLO. As we said like 5 years ago or whenever that was.
Hey, some of the guys scream it.
It's going down in here.
Why is this guy smoking? No one knows. No one knows. Oh.
You died?
No. I just saw the corpse. Jose, I'm gonna cover this door that's immediately to my right. You cover the main doorway.
There's another guy covering the main doorway.
Well, we got it.
They got C though.
Oh, just wait here. They're gonna come.
I'm fine.
Holy shit.
Jesus fuck! What a massacre, dude.
God.
Oh, you're right. You didn't cover the door.
I can't see it.
Jesus, that was a fucking massacre.
We fucking just murdered them.
Jesus.
That was pretty good though. That was good.
That was really good.
I managed to get the first guy who came through the door, but then there were too many. I couldn't see him though, so sorry you died. Like,
It's okay. I'm used to it.
yeah.
Oh, that's someone got you. No, Beacon. There's someone watching.
Yep. There's two.
I can't bring out my weapon though. It's not loading.
Jose! There's two.
My
there's
gun
one-
is not being raised, dude.
I had that problem earlier.
Do not even see it. Like it's just me walking.
Yeah, I had that problem earlier. Oh my god.
Kill that
Guy
guy.
just found their-
Oh my god.
Oh, it's you. Nice. I saw that.
Gotta take A now, bud.
Yeah.
Oh, just wait
They're-
there because they're about
They're
to
taking
spawn.
B, they're taking B.
You see-
Right there.
No, to the right. On the ground.
I
Along
had
the
to
wall.
get the guy.
Nice try.